You might be having a random issue where for some reason your Roku TV remote for some reason is just not pairing to your particular, device. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. So if you have some sort of like issues going on with your particular, Roku TV and your particular remote, the first thing I recommend doing is just making sure that the batteries on your particular remote, there's no issues with them. So what you can try doing is if you look in the back of your particular remote, you'll be able to see the batteries that are on the back side of it. The first thing I recommend doing is going through and just taking out the batteries and reinserting them. A lot of the times, if you just do something like that, that can probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So double check the batteries that you have inside of your controller or your remote. If these batteries are almost dead or if there's issues going on with them, that in and of itself can be the number one issue that you're going to run into. So just check out the batteries, try replacing the batteries, and that is the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that doesn't end up working, you can try repairing your particular remote by holding down on this back button on the back side of your particular remote right here. You can hold down on this particular button right here to basically restart your particular controller. And what's going to happen here is that it'll go ahead and repair to your particular, TV. And that's another thing I recommend doing as well. If that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you can try doing is just moving closer to your particular device. So wherever your Roku TV is, you can try, getting a little closer to that particular TV. And that's another thing you can do to end up fixing this problem as well. If those things are still not working, you can try going through and seeing if there's a manual way to kind of change your settings on your Roku TV. You can try restarting it as well. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.